Why do batteries leak and swell over time? The answer is more surprising than just old age. Understanding this can save your devices and maybe even your safety. Inside every battery, chemical reactions generate the electricity you rely on. But as batteries age or are misused, these reactions can create unwanted byproducts like gas and corrosive liquids. This buildup increases pressure inside the sealed battery casing, causing it to swell or even rupture, leading to leaks. The leaking electrolyte can damage your device and is often corrosive or toxic. Overcharging is a major factor causing batteries to swell and leak. When a battery gets too much charge, it forces excessive chemical reactions inside. This creates more gas and heat, stressing the battery's internal structure. The casing can deform or crack, releasing dangerous chemicals outside. Using the correct charger and unplugging when full helps prevent this. Heat is another enemy of battery health. When batteries get too hot, whether from the environment or device use, the chemical reactions inside speed up. This rapid reaction produces more gas and weakens the battery's internal materials. As a result, swelling and leaks become more likely. Keeping batteries cool extends their life and safety. Even with perfect care, batteries don't last forever. Over months or years, their internal chemicals break down. This causes imbalances and higher internal resistance, which can generate heat and gas. As the battery weakens, it becomes prone to swelling and leaks. Replacing old batteries is safer than risking failure. Batteries leak and swell because of chemical changes, overcharging, heat, and age. Knowing these causes helps you protect your devices and stay safe. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and never miss surprising science behind everyday things.